welcome to the bike shed Uyuni Uncut. So today we're just going to have a look around the workshop of what we're doing. So let's have a look. This bike here is a 1986 Yamaha TTR Raid. Came into the workshop, had electrical problems, it wouldn't start because all the electrics were messed up. Pressed the starter button, nothing happened. Got the electric sorted out and then found someone had been messing about with the starter clutch inside the casing here, and all the little ball bearings were bad, so we managed to get a Chinese one and get my friend the engineer to adapt it and make it fit. So now it starts. All we have to do, turn the gasoline on. The ignition key is down its side here inside the frame, could you believe it or not. And we have to pull the clutch in and press the button. And she starts. A little bit tappity, she's an old bike. The ramble, all the lights work, everything is working now. Only problem is it came in without a seat. So the guy gave us an old seat of another motorcycle. You can see here. Disaster, hey? But yeah, this don't fit at all. It's the wrong shape totally. So what we're going to try and do, we're going to fabricate a seat out of metal. So we started making some cardboard templates, and then we're going to cut it out of metal, fabricate it and see if we can make it fit. The guy who owns it already got somebody who wants to buy it for $1,500. It has no number plate, but it doesn't seem to matter too much here. Good tyres on it, good chain and sprocket. And it's on our stand, which we fabricated ourselves here. It goes up and down. At the moment it's down because we're working on the seat, but yeah. The other two bikes we have in the workshop here today are mine and Wasker's Enduro race bikes. So here I have my KTM 350 EXCF 2015, and over here in front of me we have Wasker's 450 EXCF 2010. So you can see underneath we are draining the oils and changing the filters. Hopefully we got a race at the weekend. So you can see this bike here. So this is what we're doing today. We've got to finish changing the oils on these bikes, and then we're going to continue working on the seat on the other bike. This is another project that came in here too. This is a Honda 105, like a C90 type engine. Half the bits are in the back, doesn't start, so we've got to try and jigsaw it, put it back together and get it running, and yeah, this is what we get here. So yeah, so this is our workshop, which we call the bike shed here in the uni, and this is the work we are going to be doing today. Thank you.